Now, most people come on 1688 looking confused and everything looking strange to them. And so it's difficult to navigate the 1688 app for some people. So in this video, I'll be explaining in detail, showing us practically what this different icon means or stands for. Okay? Now my name is Blessing, and on this channel we talk about importation in detail, money making and personal development. So stick with me as we proceed. Alright, so first on our list here is recommended. As you can see, first on our list is recommended. That is it. That is recommended. So once you're here, everything you see displaying on the everything you see displaying on the screen like this is recommended products. These are products that people have been searching. These are products that people have been looking at, trying to buy. Okay, these are products that people have been interested in. So it is recommended products, and so it is also recommended for the youth. All right. So that is what that's recommended means. For your own phone, it might be in Chinese, okay, until you translate it, okay. So we'll be talking about translating the app on another video. But today we just want to understand what the interface looks like and what it means, so that when you're on the 1688, it will easily navigate the 1688 app. Okay. Now the next one is factory. Okay, the next very one is factory. Now, this is the main reason why we come on 1688 to buy. We want to buy directly from the factory, because when we buy directly from the factory, we buy way cheaper, and we buy authentic product. That's if you have done all your due diligence, you buy correct things on the 1688 from the factory if you know how to navigate your way. Now, this is the factory. So once your cursor is here, once you're on this interface, everything you're looking at here will be on factory. If you click on any one, it will take you to the factory section. Okay, this is the factory section. Now, under it, we have the very first icon down here. That's this icon here. I don't have my translating app here to do that. The very first list on the list here is called Gigafactory, which means super factory. Okay, that's what that means. Then the very second one means officially operated. Okay, and this next one means cross-border customization. Okay, we'll be explaining in detail what that cross-border customization mean for those that will be interested in going into it. Right? Now the next one is new order ordering. Okay, new product ordering, sorry. New product ordering, right? So these two concerns us as importers, okay? As those who want to go into importation. I will be explaining what this yellow icon, what it means and what it stands for. Okay? Now I'll be clicking on this very yellow icon. Let's see what it means. So like I said, it is called cross-border customization. Okay, now cross-border customization, this is where most of these manufacturers, factories display their products. Okay, they display their product. Like if I click on it, I click on this now, it will open. Okay, now this is where the manufacturers, the factories, they display their products. And so on this very place, you can have your products customized. Okay, you can have your products customized for you, which means they operate on OEM and ODM customization functions. Okay, they operate on OEM and ODM customization functions. So we're going to be learning what OEM means and what ODM means, okay, for those who want to make use of this function. So on this very place, this is where you get your goods customized. Okay, this is where you can get your product customized. Now, what is OEM? OEM means original equipment manufacturer, which means the factory manufactures a product according to your own design and specification. Let me say that again. OEM means original equipment manufacturer, which is the factory or manufacturer produce a product according to your own design specification, own design and specification. All right. Now you're going to bring your product idea, your design, your logo, your packaging style. Okay, the Chinese factory only produces it for you, right? Now, an example, you want to create something like Blessing hair dryer brand. You design the shape, the color, logo, packaging, and all the factory will do is just to produce that thing exactly as you have described it. Now the product belongs to your brand exclusively. So this is best for building your own brand, long-term business, selling on Amazon, Jumia, or in supermarkets. All right. And now this OEM usually requires higher MOQ. MOQ means minimum order quantity. Okay, and it also requires more capital, and it also means that it will take longer production time. Okay, because of all that is involved. Right? Now, we're going to the next one, which is ODM. ODM means original design manufacturer. Now, this means the factory already has a product, a ready made product designed. All you have to do is just, choose a product, add your own logo, maybe change small things like maybe you don't like the color, you change the color, or maybe you don't like the packaging, you change it. So you're not creating that product from scratch. Okay, you're not creating it from scratch, it's already existing. All you're now doing is just to change some little things to make it uniquely yours. Now, for example, you see a ready-made ring light in a supplier's catalog, right? You tell them, please put my brand name on it, that is ODM. That is ODM for you. So when you see that ring light, you just tell them, please, I need my brand name to be on it. Okay, when they put your brand name, customize it to your name, then it becomes, that's what it's called, ODM, which is original design manufacturer. It is designed by the manufacturers. All you need to do is designed by the manufacturer originally. So all you need to do is just to add small things here and there to make it yours. Now this is best for beginners with small capital importers, and it's fast market entry, right? To sell fast in the market. Now, many other importers may sell the same product, but what the only difference is that you have your own logo. To have your own logo, right? So let's go back. Let's go back. So the next on the list is the new ordering. Okay, we have discussed the customization, product customization. Now we're going to look at the new product ordering. Now, this new product ordering, this is where newly produced items are showcased. Okay, if you want to know what is new in on the sites currently that they're just producing, you come here, you'll find out the new things that are being produced. Okay, these are where the manufacturers or these factories, when they produce new things, this is where they post them. Okay, let's click on it and see. Okay, let it load and open. Ending here because this video is getting too long. Okay, so and the video is quite large, so it will have a part two. All right, and it will be uploaded immediately after you see it. So after you watch this, just continue with the other one that will be uploaded, the part two of this very video. Thank you very much.